'Tis Cupid himself that called me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, must come charging to your side, despite the threat of Madame la Guillotine.
But the night is full of our enemies.
Imperious Princess of the Night, I love you. 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 Yvonne, captured by the Rouge Noir of the Purple Terror. Oh, my sword. To her side. Yvonne, Yvonne, my own.